Cause baby, it feels like forever.
Hola babes, it's been so long. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this new special video. Today we're gonna make an Asian makeup. Yes, I'm back with this kind of makeup just because I had a lot of message and comments asking to me if I can make Korean, Japanese, or doing makeup. I really miss this kind of makeup, that's why I'm back. So today we're gonna make a little game. I will make the makeup and you will get the style of makeup, if it's Korean, Japanese, or doing makeup. So guys, for this video we're gonna use only Sheglam'S makeup because they sent me the best sellers of 2023. I hope you will like it, so let's go. I already made my skincare, don't worry, I will make a video for you. All the products I use to have this natural glowy skin. As you know, I really like matte and long lasting foundation. They sent me this one. It's a long-lasting matte foundation and I really like, and I will use it with this pretty beauty blender. I don't really know how to use this beauty blender, but I will do my best. I don't really know if it's like this. Don't forget guys, if you want to have a perfect finish with the foundation, you need to have a beauty blender, not just putting a little water on it. No, you need to wash it. I don't know if you see the results. As you know, I don't really like talking when I make my makeup. I have the impression that I forgot always something on my face. That's why when I make my makeup video, I always stop talking because I need to be really focused on my work. The concealer, the first time I don't really know how to use it. I hope it's like this.
A few moments later.
Okay. Okay, wow, it's really white. We're gonna add foundation because it's really white. It's better. My skin is glowing guys. We are done. The powder, how it's gonna be on my face. I'm not joking guys, this powder is really pink. Look at this. Let's try. Oh, why it's like this? Guys, I'm not joking, this powder is yet. They said it's a hydro refreshing setting powder. I don't know if it's really perfect for this makeup, but I use it. As I said, we're gonna use only Sheglam'S makeup in this video, so I think the result is really cute. We're gonna continue like this, but the powder was really weird. I don't know, it's the first time I use this kind of powder. I was really scared. So we're gonna make the contour. Here it is. Let's make eyebrows. I got this pencil for eyebrows. This is a brown eyebrow pencil. This is really white. I use this color. I think it's really white. If you have the same skin like me, start always with this color and never with this one. We're gonna use this one. It can be your Christmas makeup. I don't know. The eagle eye with this one. Okay, now we're gonna use this brown eyeshadow. I think it's a dark brown. Yes, perfect. For the mascara, I'm gonna use this Volumizing mascara. Oh, okay. Okay, this mascara is amazing. I'm really in love. And voila guys, eyes makeup is done. We're gonna make blush and lips. This brown and the reds because I really like them. I'm gonna use this perfect lip plumper. I swear guys, this makeup can be your Christmas makeup. If you want to shine a little, you can use highlights. Here is the makeup guys, we are done. So I'm really happy because I really like the result. It's really simple, and as always we have a glass skin finish. And yeah, so don't forget to tell me the name of this makeup style, and see you soon guys. Bisous bisous, bye bye.